What's going on, guys? Today we have a 2004 Toyota Tacoma, nice little truck, having overheating issues. Customer went after the typical stuff, the thermostat, flushing it, and all that stuff. Was fine around town, but going up a steep grade or some kind of long hill would overheat, puke out all the water or coolant. So, everything was replaced back in early 2020, the radiator, the hoses, the water pump, timing belt, all that stuff. So I get it. And around town, it's fine. Idle, it's fine. Just, pulling hills or pulling grades or anything long like that on a hot day, especially, it's going to overheat. So we look at the clutch fan. It's kind of, moves pretty light, but most of these Toyotas do. But usually that will be at idle or, around town. That would cause the overheating, not on freeway speeds. So then I drain, at this point it was mostly water. If you take a peek in here, like I said, this radiator is only a couple years old. He's put about 67,000 miles on it. All full of shit. So it's plugged. So we got one, Rock Auto. The local Napa around here wanted like 230. This one was pretty much 140 shipped to me. So I got to open it. Hopefully it's right, but cross that bridge in a minute. Yeah, customer was even going to sell it because he couldn't figure it out. So that should take care of it. And see what happens.